Welcome back to my channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a get ready with me. It's been a while since I actually did something relatively similar to something that I'm wearing at the moment. Last time I was doing my get ready was probably in June or like at the beginning of the summer. That is the reason why I want to just dive into the season, into some coldness, but with warmth of brown colors. So if you're really liking what you're seeing on your screens at the moment, then please keep on watching and let's get started. Well, I've done this so many times on my channel that I don't really know if I should explain that. But first I'm gonna moisturize my face before I apply any makeup. Then I'm going to this is actually for under eye area, Essence Hello Good Stuff Deep Puff Eye Serum. It moisturizes my under eye area really well, so I really like it. And then we're going to the final step of my preparation. It's going to be the Ordinary High Adhesive Silicone Primer. High adherence silicone primer. And yeah, let's get started. I'm done with the preparation, so I am going to be doing a bit of my foundation. As for foundation, I'm going to my ultimate favorite MUA Makeup Academy Pro-Base One Wear Matte Finish Foundation. This is definitely matte finish, so if you're not a huge fan of matte finish and if you have like normal or dry skin, I would probably suggest some other option, water-based foundations, and some foundations that might have glossy finish if you have dry skin, but for oily skin, matte foundations are good enough. I guess I have like normal skin, a little bit oily in the area of my forehead, so it's just something that I have. Then I'm going to a little bit different concealer. This one is from L.A.Girl Pro.concealer, and this for my forehead, nose, and my chin. I'm going to e.l.f. full coverage concealer, but just a few dots here and there. I'm gonna set my face with NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat Powder Foundation. This foundation is really good. I'm almost out of the product. And then I'm gonna use the Makeup Puff to set my base. Really quick, want to mention that today I've been wearing my Karl Lagerfeld lipstick, the one I did a review about 6 months ago probably during winter time, and it was so dry on my lips, and now I actually feel like it dried out my lips badly. I don't know why people love this stuff. None of my Wet n Wild lipsticks or some other affordable products did that stuff to my lips or any part of my body. So yeah, I don't understand when people try to sell you something really expensive and then it harms your body parts. Everything is set and in place. I'm gonna contour my face. Let's say it's fall time, and as for fall, of course, you need a little bit more contouring, a little bit more warm shades and colors. That is the reason why I'm going to my multi-shade BH palette. I guess they're still in stock. This palette is still in stock. Okay, I'm gonna go to like really warm but not extra light color. And then what I do, as always, I'm gonna stamp this shade first over my cheekbone, and then I'm gonna drag this up like that. And I'm gonna focus this in the half of my cheekbone. I'm not bringing too close to the apple cheek. And do not forget about forehead and your nose. So here I have a few more options for you guys. If you want to use some pink blush, that's going to be a great option if you like pink blushes. I love pink blushes, but today I'm going to peachy one, to peachy shade from Maybelline. Please don't mind the greasiness, like, yeah, I was mixing a lot of shades and that was the only flat surface that I had in hand. I believe I really want to make this look kind of warm, and I'm placing the same blush over my contour, the one that I've created. Another option, you can add some highlighter over your cheekbones, but I love doing this with my wet beauty blender after I'm done with the setting products. Let's set the whole face with the e.l.f. product. This is Mad Magic Mist and Set Setting Spray. To my wet beauty blender. Next step is brows. I explained this numerous times. I'm gonna fill in my brows with the same catrice pencil that I use every single video. The color is Ashy Drama. Then I'm gonna fill them in, brush them with my brow gel, and then fill in the same brows with a little bit different product, Brow pencil. Brows are in place, my foundation is in place at the same time. I completely forgot about it. This is another routine with a highlighter. I'm gonna be just using some of my eyeliners. And first I'm gonna prime my lid with NYX primer. By the way, I forgot about my highlighter. Makeup Revolution, Supreme Highlighter Gold, and Wet Beauty Blender. A little bit here and there. First things first, let me set my lids with some really soft colors. I'm using Mini Palette from e.l.f. and this very, very soft shade. To the liner, this one is black Maybelline liner. I'm gonna create really big and kind of like significant liner shape. Honestly, guys, you can leave it like that. It's really pretty and soft, and it's really pretty. I actually really love it. But we're not talking about something simple today. We're talking about something complicated as always, because something simple you can recreate without my help, I guess. As for the palette, I'm going to my Ultimate Natural Studio Pro BH Ultimate Neutrals Shadow Palette. Let me experiment a little bit more with a color from, no, I'm not gonna use this. Okay, I'm already using this color. From e.l.f. palette once again, and then get this over my liner. The only problem with those eyeshadows that are like, there's so much fallout. It's better to use some Kleenex or some protection from this fallout. I want to move to that shade, lacing this all over the liner. And I believe the shade in the middle, last row, I've never used before. Can you imagine that? I'm gonna grab this color over my brush. This is gonna be my flat brush. And then I'm gonna use, again, the same paper. I need a little bit more blending. They'll go with this color for the crease. And then a little bit more of the same transition shade that I used for my crease right at the beginning of the video. I would need to refresh a little bit. This moment, the first shade that we used, this, you know, purplish. And for the waterline, I don't really want to do extra today, like super dark look. That's why for my waterline, I'm just going to use really soft pink pencil. And then add first of my shades, one of the first shades that I used, this beautiful purplish color underneath my eye. Let's play with a little bit of this. I mean, this mix these two shades together. To my final step, this champagne is gonna work for my brow bone. And in the inner corner, don't forget about mascara. I want to keep it like that. I guess we're not using any falsies today. Let me do my left eye for my shirts, and then I'll be right back to show you my lip routine. I'm going to the final part where we're focusing on the lips. Well, it's full time, okay? So let's sum this up real quick. We need something bold, sexy, probably brown. Let me focus on really dark shade from Makeup Revolution. I really like the formula of exactly this lipstick. That's why I love mixing this one with a little bit different colors. I'm going to be using another Makeup Revolution product. This one is a lipstick and it has really beautiful mustard color. And then I'm going to my lipstick, but I'm going to see if I really need a lipstick or if I want to focus and keep it matte. Definitely getting fall vibes. Okay guys, that is a get ready with me. I am so happy with the final result. I know that my nails, they're still screaming like summer, please don't live. But my makeup is telling, yeah, sadly it's September, sadly it's full time, sadly it's cold, again codes. I don't know, just summer flew by as it have never been. And though I love the vibe of this warm coat. You know, I love sitting home, watching some movies, and sometimes, you know, just like eat some pumpkin pies. Okay guys, I guess that's enough for me for today. That was a get ready with me, and I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial. Not even a tutorial, that was like a get ready with me. And I'm gonna see you in one of my next videos that's gonna be uploaded really soon, hopefully. I love you. Bye bye.